to our look at the upcoming September 4th Thursday trading session. You can see I have the economic calendar in front of you, and would point out a couple of things. There are quite a bit of announcements out there, but truthfully, we only see a couple, maybe three, that are going to actually move the markets in our opinion. And because of that, we actually have an abbreviated session in a sense because everybody's waiting on non-farm payroll for the next session. Starting off, we will be looking at the interest rate decision coming out of the United Kingdom. It is anticipated to be 0.50% being kept as the rate. The question will become about the statement. Truthfully, though, the market is actually paying attention to the Scottish independence vote, which comes up in about 2 weeks. So having said that, the pound might be under pressure regardless. Any rally should be a nice selling opportunity in the pound dollar. A little later on, we have the interest rate decision coming out of Europe and the statement, of course, press conference. It's probably going to be more of a press conference type deal. Not a whole lot is anticipated. There probably isn't a whole lot of tweaking that they can do at the moment. But ultimately, the euro should remain under pressure. So if the euro rises, we will be looking to sell rallies at the first sign of resistance. And then finally, initial jobless claims. This will be followed in the United States. It will affect the stock markets, S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, etc., Russell 2000. It's anticipated to come out at 300,000, and that, of course, is a very volatile number, but it is one that definitely can move the markets. However, the effect may be somewhat muted with non-farm payroll being Friday. So that being the case, we think that any pullback, any knee-jerk reaction in the stock indices will be a nice buying opportunity. Our favorite market at the moment is the S&P 500, which has an obvious floor at 1990. As you can see, the euro dollar tried to rally again and again at 131.50. We found plenty of selling pressure, forming a shooting star for the day. We anticipate more weakness, and any rally at this point in time would have to be treated with suspicion, looking for short-term selling opportunities on the short-term charts, bearish candles, and the like. Looking at the pound dollar, you can see we tried to rally to 165 and just got absolutely pummeled. The pound cannot get out of its own way. We have made a fresh new low. At this point in time, there's no reason to think about buying the pound. We would continue to sell short-term rallies going all the way up to at least the 1.65 handle, if not the 1.66 handle. The S&P 500, as you can see, has had a fairly negative session for Wednesday, but truthfully, we still see that floor at 1990. We kind of hope for a little bit of a pullback. It should give us a nice buying opportunity. This market's broken out. There's no two ways about it. It will eventually get legs to go higher. And with that, we have taken a look at the Thursday, September 4th trading session.